senior project for the 2019 spring term is to improve the linen distribution process at Presbyterian SeniorCare network. Our sponsor is Lisa Molish, who is the Senior Director for Organizational Improvement at PSC. In our team, we have Kaxin Chen, Luoyuan Chen, Kirsten Jack Krivsky, and Tyra Pitts.
Presbyterian SeniorCare Network, PSC, is a nonprofit organization that enriches the aging experience through person-centered services and living options for residents in Western Pennsylvania. It has 6 campuses, one of which is our sponsor for this project, PSC Oakmont campus. It provides short and long-term skilled nursing and rehab services and personal care services for older adults and dementia patients. One of our sponsors' essential operations to deliver high-quality care to its residents is linen management. The staff at PSC Oakmont have had insufficient amount of linens on shelf, and it was partly because of unclear process of estimating daily needs and supplies of clean linens. To improve the linen distribution process, we aim to build a system which ensures 1 day worth of linen supplies in central storage area and another 1 day worth of linen supplies throughout the residential areas. Based on this, here is the problem statement for our project. PSC Oakmont campus does not have an accurate inventory of clean and soiled linens, which has led to inadequate amount of linens on shelf for the nursing staff in each neighborhood during any given day and resulted in poor soft savings for the company.
Based on our observation, we created a process map. The top part is clean linen scheduled delivery. The bottom part is designed for a call by staff.
During our data collection phase, we had the opportunity to participate in a Gemba walk. During this walk, we had the chance to see the distribution process from start to finish. We also got to walk through the facility with an employee and clarify many of our process questions that still remained. We were provided handwritten data sheets with 4 quantities for 9 types of linens for 3 different wings of the 4 floors of the facility. The quantities we were given were par level, on-shelf, delivered, and the amount needed. In essence, the raw data needed to be filtered and cleaned so that we could determine an average demand value for each type of linen for each floor. We were also provided invoice data to analyze costs.
We selected our values using a method of randomized clustering that followed a pattern of having data over consecutive days. This helps randomize our data to make it independent and identically distributed so that it is significant. Here provided is our modified future inventory equation. From our data set, the present inventory is on shelf, the future inventory is on shelf plus delivered, and we are using these variables to solve for demand. Here are our results. The first table shows our daily calculated total for each type of linen. The second table provides our new weekly quantities and the cost metric associated with these values. As you can see, the new total is a bit higher in cost, but because it's twice the amount of inventory, this is actually an improvement as long as it is less than double the total cost.
Based on the results, we proposed 5 recommendations. We first recommend that PSC have the target inventory level to prevent shortage of clean linens. With this, we recommend that PSC keep an electronic log of linen deliveries to residential storage areas and review them quarterly. Having a person in charge of maintaining this record system will be essential to ensure accuracy of the records. We also have a new design for linen storage rooms in the residential area, a Kanban system. Clean linens will be pre-packaged in containers like this. This will be the new unit of linens. Rather than counting individual linen items like 1 bath towel, 2 bath towels, the delivery staff will count the number of empty containers when restocking the storage areas. This record system and Kanban system we have recommended become essentially useful with our next recommendation, which is to standardize the staff's request process for more linens. In between the scheduled linen delivery times, staff and PSC can request for additional linens if the containers for the type of linen they ask for are empty. Last but not least, We recommend that PSC Oakmont, as a whole organization, foster a process improvement culture to bring more awareness to all staff across the campus.